Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can bulk edit text or code in your Blogger website. So let me just show you. So this is going to save a lot of time while editing your blog post. So let me just show you how it works. So let me just open this blog post here and let me just switch to the HTML view, and here the bulk edit work. So here you will see that there are various codes, and if I see that there is div tag and that is added the style text align left, and so here you will see this in lot of places like style text align left. So what if you want to remove this code from all of your div tag, then how you can do that? So in that case you can use the bulk edit feature or bulk remove feature or bulk replace feature in Blogger. So what I can do is I will type Ctrl Shift and R, and I will copy this code from here, and I will copy this greater than symbol as well. So let me just copy this, and I will type like Ctrl Shift and R, and I will paste it here. Now I will hit enter, and I will again add greater than symbol, so that it will replace the style text align left greater than with the only greater than. And as you can see that text left align is removed from all of the div tag. So in this way you can bulk edit within a single click. Now what if you want to add a loading equal to lazy tag to all of your images? So as you can see that there are two images here, and I want to add lazy loading tag in these images. Then how I can do that? Because if you have more than 5 or 10 images, then it is require a lot of time to add the tag in all of the image tag. So what I can do is I will do the same here. So I will type like Ctrl Shift and R, and I will type like less than img, and I will hit enter, and I will add like less than img loading equal to double quote. I will add the lazy tag here, and I will hit enter, and as you can see that it has replaced the img tag here and added the img loading equal to lazy like this. So in this way you can add loading equal to lazy to all of your images with a single click. This sound interesting, so let's check another example. So here you will see that data original height. So browser don't recognize this as a height, and it will show an error like your height is missing. So what I can do is here I will replace the data original height with height, so that the browser will recognize. So I will copy this, and I will type like Ctrl Shift R, and let's paste it here, and I will hit enter, and I will just add the height here. And as you can see that all the data original height is now changed to height, and let's do the same with width as well. And as you can see that it has replaced all the width attribute. Now what if you want to replace all the div tag with a paragraph tag? So here as you can see that there are some paragraph tag here, and there are some div tag used here. So I want to use paragraph tag everywhere. Then how we can replace that? So what I can do is I will just copy the div tag like this, and I will type like Ctrl Shift R, paste the div tag, and I will add the paragraph tag like this, and I will hit enter. So we need to replace the closing div tag with closing paragraph tag as well. So let me just copy that as well, and I will type like Ctrl Shift R, paste the closing div tag, hit enter, and I will replace it with closing paragraph tag. So it will replace all the div tag easily. So there is a space between the div and greater than symbol, so we need to do it again. So let me just copy it, Ctrl Shift R, paste it here, and I will add the paragraph here. Alright, now all the div tag is changed to paragraph tag. So in this way you can bulk edit code and bulk edit text in your Blogger website. So if you found this video interesting, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you want me to make more videos like this, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.